Hey everyone! Well, it's February 17th. The family and I are going out. Don't know if you can see her. Anyways, we're going out for a winter camp. It's a long weekend. We got Monday off, so Friday, February 17th, we're heading out. We got a different tent this time for this year. I think this will be the first time we've used this one this year. So we're taking the Esker Classic 2 10x10. It's going to be a little snug, but it's also going to be a lot warmer than the Davis tent. We are supposed to get 2 nights of minus 20, but during the day minus, what was it, 8 to 10. So, something that's new this time. Hey Birch, you want to come out? You can come out. Since the last time where it was really deep, I put a lift on this truck. So now it sits much higher. It's got a 6-inch suspension lift in there. And I switched out my leaf springs from the normal 2-in-1 to the 4-in-1, so I got a 5-leaf in there now. And it's already made a huge difference. Box doesn't sink down. I got lots of clearance here. I need bigger tires, only about an inch and a half. Maybe 35s would be all right. And yeah, definitely a lot more clearance. So come on, let's go, bud. Oh, I know. Come on out. No? He's not sure yet.
I'm gonna make it big enough.
Okay, let's see. What's up?
We fit in here?
We fit in here, yeah. It's gonna be tight, but we fit. Heat's on. So now it's just a mad dash to get the cot set up and then the rest of the bedding, and we'll be good to go. Okay, we're all set. So, don't know if you can see, dog water bowl, wife's bed, Nika, hey babies. I've only got the one light on low right now, so it's not that bright in here, but we've got my bed there, some electronics, stove, Birch's bed. Oh, this is really shaky. This is a very, very small tent for this much gear, right? When you're glamping and you've got brought everything but the kitchen sink, it's tight. So yeah, I've got the chairs and everything set up in the ice shack. We're using that as our kitchen hut this trip. So we've got the camp kitchen set up in there. Got the Coleman stove. We've got the buddy heater and camp chairs. So that's going to be our If we need to get out of the tent and go cook some food, go in there, whatever. And we'll be going out to the ice shack pretty darn soon. We're gonna cook some wings and it's drink time. That was a long setup. Hey, what time is it? Do you know? No idea, huh?
What time is it?
You just triggered on the video. For sure you just triggered somebody's Alexa. I'll beep that out for you guys. I didn't do it the first time I used Alexa and I got a few comments back. Birch, what are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? What are you doing? What? You just gonna keep following the camera? Whoa, easy there, bud. Okay. Come on, Birch. Oh, it's nice in here. Come on. All right. Good boy. So we've got a little, turn my headlamp off here. Got a little living room here. Got the moon chair for Birch, my chair back in the corner. Wife and Nika. This way. Oh, and we've got the kitchen over there. Camp stove I got to set up yet. Very comfortable in here though. Very comfortable.
Well, there's.
Okay. Let's get that on there. The door.
I don't know.
There you go. There you go, sweetie.
I don't know how I'm gonna know.
Why don't you just bring her in here?
She isn't warm in there.
She's what?
She's actually warm in there.
She could be warm in here. Cuddled in a blanket. In a chair. Okay. She's gotta be with the family winter camping.
It's just like, let me go back to the tent with my sister. Well, you going out that door? I'm watching.
Right? Yeah.
Because you put the timer on 20 minutes and you were already out here a couple minutes before you went and got the phone.
Well, let's see what they look like. We're exactly at 400, so... Oh. They are looking good. They're nowhere near done. But they are coming around. Look at those wings. Yummy. It's 10:30. So we moved in from the cook shack to the main tent now. Just getting ready for bed. Probably gonna throw a movie on, although I won't see it all for sure. But yeah, it's just time to wind down and we'll see you all in the morning. Oh, good morning everyone. Well, the wife went to bed pretty shortly after we got in from the ice shack. I watched Zero Dark 30 last night, or most of it. I didn't get the end. The best part I didn't get. Couldn't make it. So now we're just going to... I'm going to set up my camp chair for inside this tent. And we'll probably just have a couple cups of coffee. And then make our way to the ice shack and cook our lazy breakfast again in the oven. So good.
Ooh. I think the sun poked its head out.
Yeah, it's got a lot brighter in here. From what I remember about yesterday when they said the forecast, it was going to be partly sunny, but then overcast, and then it's going to be a little bit of flurries later today, so... Alright. Nice day out. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's tough. I'll get the heat on first. Bloody heater going here. I doubt I have much propane left. Get the oven going. Cook our lazy breakfast in here. This oven works incredibly well. I'm very happy I got this. I wasn't sure if I was going to like this oven because of, you know, it seems very tinny and flimsy and whatever, but it does really well. Beautiful. So I've been letting things run here for a bit, and the stove, I just turned it down, but it got up to 600 degrees, and I don't know if it was even higher than that. So it's rocking, and it's hot in here. There we go, 350. Yikes, that's hot. Alright. Goes in. 350. Alright. I don't think I need to babysit him out here. There's no one else out here now. There. Well, no sense me leaving that open. Give you guys a quick shot of camp here. Oh, this is nice out here, eh, Birch? So New Year's Eve, when we came out here for the New Year's long weekend, nobody's been out here since. So all of that wood we collected is still here, which is great. But there's camp. We're in the same spot. And we got the ice shack set up as a cook shack. And then we got the Esker Classic 2 10x10. Whew, she's windy. This is the Quincy's that group made. They've caved them in when they left. They just left. But, yeah, we're all alone out here. It's great. It's going to be a nice, quiet evening. Unless people come out today, which could happen. But I recently bought the pistol bit 8-inch Eskimo ice auger that works on a drill. So I'm going to drill a couple lines today, or a couple holes today, put up some pop-ups, and then we're probably just going to take the dogs for a run and, you know, just chill. Just have a good time outside. It's right at the edge where my sweater is just not warm enough, so it's probably -2 or maybe -1, but the wind is cold. So, yeah, you can probably see the truck a little better this morning. How much taller it is than last time. I'll see if I have a picture without the lift on it, but it makes a big difference. My tires are okay, but this will be the last year for them. I'll need much better tires going forward to get through what we had to go through on New Year's there. Birch, what are you doing, bud? He's just loving it out here. Okay, I'm cold. I'll go back in. Okay. Lazy breakfast. Bread, eggs, ham and cheese.
Sitting in here doesn't seem like it's windy, but sitting in the Esker,
Yeah.
and it's not like this is like tied down. Like,
Tighter walls though.
yeah. You probably wouldn't notice it much in Russian Bear either because of the hub style.
Yeah. Good boy.
This is safe for me?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. I'm making a lot of bloody noise today.
Who is?
The pond!
Oh. Yeah, look at this crack right here. Whew. If you see, it's pretty windy out here. I don't know if the sound's gonna make it, but if you see the chimneys leaning, it's because we're sitting on some snow. We couldn't shovel all the way down, and the heat from the stove is melting the front. So the stove is leaning forward, making the chimney kind of lean forward too. Still secured on there, it's not a big deal, but that's why. Good. Yeah. Okay.
Bring your scoop?
No, I didn't. Very nice. Yeah, I guess I'll go over there. Boy, that was quick. I love this pistol bit. Just takes the right drill. It's 4 pounds. It cuts like crazy. I barely push on it and it just chews through. It's a very convenient. I haven't done a lot of ice fishing because I've got one of those Jiffy 3.0 things with the factory carb issue where they always stall out and you can never get them running. You got to change the carb kit or diaphragm every year. I just don't got time for that garbage. So finally this came on sale, and yeah, it's pretty wicked. It's 4 pounds and all you need is a drill. I already had a drill, so I had all these batteries already. All I had to do was buy this drill off a guy. I bought it used, pretty cheap. So now I've got a complete ice auger for, I think the pistol bit was $279, taxes in, and then the drill was $100. So, you know, just shy of $400. And you know, I've got an electric auger that I'm always taking these drills anyways and the batteries to put my pegs in the tent and everything. So I'm carrying a 4 pound auger. That's the only thing extra I have to carry, and I can do more ice fishing now. So no gas, no carb to deal with. Yeah, no head for the auger that, you know, you can damage it or cables break or you got to tweak the carb. No BS, just a drill with a 5 amp hour battery, 20 volt, and this pistol bit, and I can go fishing. So way more convenient. This would never happen. I would never have brought my Jiffy out here to ice fish. It's not worth it. I'd sit there and pull it for an hour. Finally it would start and I'd get halfway through and it would stall out. So we're good now. Anyways, I'm gonna go drill another hole, set up a couple flags, pop-ups, and see if there's any fish in here. I kind of like that bell better. Anyways, bring you a little closer. Birch, get out of there. So, got this hook and this little trout bait. I don't know what they are. Like I said, my Jiffy has caused me so much problems that I just haven't ice fished in a very long time. So, I didn't even know I had this stuff, but Garlic E eggs, Atlas brand natural salmon eggs, trout bait. Made in Wisconsin. Alright. It's not that cold out. Okay, let's see how deep we are. That's surprisingly deep here. gonna go on the sensitive side because these are small fish here. So there we go. Hey, you're gonna send that one into the hole, aren't you? Oh yeah, I bet you I did. Okay, well it's set. Alright. So, if you didn't catch it yesterday, a group of, I think it was 8 people come out here. They were here a bit before us in the next campsite over, and they were making a Quincey, and they all slept in it last night. So this was the main Quincey. They did cave it in this morning, but that's huge. That's awesome. Right on, guys. So they were all sleeping in here. They got a snow or a spruce bough base. And pretty thick walls, over a foot thick. That's dangerous. From what I recall, your walls shouldn't be any more than 4 inches thick. And you're supposed to take like sticks and stick them in at the 4-inch mark, so that when you're shoveling out from inside, when you start hitting the tips of those sticks, you know you're at 4 inches and to stop digging. But pretty cool. This would have been pretty big, eh?
Oh, they did have spruce bough line.
Yeah. Yeah.
And 7 of them slept in here last night.
7 or 8, I can't remember. But yeah. Too bad they caved it in, but that's it would have been nice and tight for 7, but I mean, yeah, they would have fit. So anyways, we're gonna get back to our campsite here, and yeah, just on to the next thing. Well, it's time to start a fire. Jesus. There we go. Whew. That's hot. I think that's gonna go. Looks pretty good. That should be enough. That should make enough coal to do bush pies anyways. Let's see.
One might be a little on the darker side.
Let's see it.
Look.
Oh, that's mine. I want that one.
No.
Yes.
I'm sorry.
I like burnt food.
I don't have the grill. You're making me put it right on that wood today.
Yeah. We're gonna do some prep inside there, get ready for the pickle salad and smokies tonight. Pickle salad's just pickles chopped up with pasta and mayo. I just call it a salad. But it's time to set some lighting here. So we'll turn on our lights here. There, I think that's solid on. That looks nice.
Oh.
You want me to cook all three of these?
Probably best.
I'm not sure they're cooked. Okay.
What do you think?
Sure.
If they're thawed already, so.
Yep. Oh, they smell good. That's extremely quick. Yeah. Nothing's touching that one. I guess it's time to pack it in. Well, we got a bit of snow so far, and it's still coming down. Nice big flakes. Well, we're inside now. It's snowing like crazy out there. Dogs are playing. There's probably going to be a tail in the way right away. Oh, careful, bud. Yeah, that's it. We're done for the night. We're just probably going to relax for a bit. I'm going to throw a movie on, and we'll see you all in the morning. Oh man, look at the outside of the tent. It's just got a ton of slush on it. It's totally dry inside though. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that, but it's pretty crazy. It is just calming down. Well, yeah, there's quite a bit piling up on the tent here. Just watching a little Catch Me If You Can. Enjoying the snow hitting the tent. It's so dry in here. I love it. The canvas is dry. Outside it's like covered in slush and everything else, and it's coming down. It's really snowing, and yet it's nice and toasty warm and dry in here. It's so nice. Anyways, if something else exciting happens, we'll let you know, but otherwise, we'll see you in the morning. Morning, everyone. It's cold this morning. We are very frosted up. I think I'm gonna have to take these lights in the other tent and let them warm up. But everything is just covered in And a layer of frost. Yeah, very cold. That is cold. Come here! We got the girls! Oh, my boy! Hey!
Mom asked us if we wanted to go for a walk.
Yeah, okay, let's go for a walk then. That sun's packing some heat. Pretty cold today, but it's not nearly as breezy over here. Ice cube, Birch. You want an ice cube? Oh yeah. You like ice cubes, eh? She's got one too.
I'm going again.
Oh yeah.
They're softer, right? Because they're a little melted.
Yeah. Good girl, good boy.
Oh, look at him. Good boy.
Oh, look at the slobber. Since when?
Ice cubes does it.
Oh, he just spit out like a whole bunch of stuff. Right on.
I don't have a towel.
There's one in the dog bag I brought.
Disgusting.
Good boy, eh? What you doing, bud?
A super dog.
Hey, Birch, what are you doing? Hey, guys.
It's just effortless, eh?
Yeah. We got a big meal planned tonight. Today, we are doing a couple pre-seasoned ribeye. These are from the Paw, Manitoba. We have instant mashed potatoes. I've never tried these before. These are all the instructions from the box, so we didn't have to take the box, but they're just like minute instant potatoes. I think we like them. It's been a long time since we've had fake food like this, or fake potatoes, but we're going to give it a shot. And then, using the oven, we're going to make chocolate chip muffins. That's going to be maybe a snack tonight during the movie, or definitely probably breakfast tomorrow, just to put something in our belly while we're packing up. So, we're going to give that a shot. And we're going to do it all on the Coleman stove today again. Getting some use out of this, trying to learn it. I ended up getting a Cabela's gift card, a USA Cabela's gift card, so I can't use that here in Canada, but I can order online from the US. And so I ordered a portable barbecue for going on the pontoon boat and for winter camping. So I haven't even tried it yet, but I received it like a month and a half ago. I'm itching to try that out too, but this stove so far is just impressing me so much that I'm wanting to cook on here all the time. Oh, she's getting liquid now. A little too much oil, I think. Can't imagine that, eh? This is a big pan. Yeah. Not quite gonna fit in there together. Oh, yeah, they are. Let us see. It's awfully good.
Ooh.
Hey? 750 is right there. Oop. Stir milk and pouch. Is this a comedy show?
I don't know. It's Chris Rock right now.
Oh, these look good already.
I think this is the butter and herb ones that we brought out.
Oh yeah.
Not just the original. Is there green flecks in there?
Yep,
Butter and herb.
Smells great. Oh, hey bud. Hey. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Get in. Come on. What do I do? Fill them up.
Probably about 3/4 full.
Okay.
I usually fill them all, and then what I have left, I try to even them out. Birch steak.
Isn't that something, eh? Fits perfect. Start the timer. Now it's time to eat some food.
How is it?
Looks good, huh?
It was. I'm done.
Good.
Here's your beer.
Oh, yeah. Thanks.
Yeah.
Here's your supper, babe.
You're welcome.
Here's your gloves.
That was quick. That all happened very, very fast. Okay. So I burnt most of the muffins, I think. Because that oven was just really hot. Which one's yours?
This one. Look at it.
Ah. Show the camera, that's probably the nicest one we have.
Birch.
This one's not terrible either. That's the bottom. I hope they're cooked though.
Oh yeah, they're cooked.
Oh yeah. Oh, good.
Oh. It doesn't look like you're eating any for breakfast tomorrow morning.
Nope.
Can you hold this for a second again?
Oh my god. Can I do anything?
No, because I got your dog between my legs. I need to shoot.
What is this? Oh god.
It's kinky.
That's horrible.
No, it's not.
It's sugar. It's just liquid sugar.
It is black raspberry kinky.
Mm.
Black raspberry is your favorite fruit.
Blackberries.
Oh, blackberries.
We're going to pick a movie and then probably just hit the sack early. Oh yeah, we're going to do Jiffy Pop. We're going to do Jiffy Pop on top of the Nuway stove. We haven't done that before, so we're going to try it out and see if it works. I'm sure it will. So yeah, we'll check back in with you again later. Well, it's Jiffy Pop time. We're going to try it out on the Nuway stove here. We got ourselves Jiffy Pop.
Popcorn in a movie.
Mmm. Morning, everyone. It's snowing. It got pretty cold last night. It got to it was minus 28, and with the wind minus 30 or something, so it was pretty cold last night. It started getting colder and colder and colder, and we figured the tank was running low. It should have been. It should have been out hours before, but yeah, once I changed the tank, it heated right back up in here. So that's good. We did Friday night, Saturday night, Sunday night. 3 nights, 3 days, 2 bottles of propane. We're still running on the second one here, so stove works like it's intended to. Anyways, we're gonna have coffee and start packing up. Well, we're taking down camp. Just kind of picking away at it. We're not in any rush or anything. But we've got a lot of stuff to pack up and put back in its place, and it's a nice day. It warmed up considering last night was almost minus 30. Anyways, we'll just keep at it. Well, that's a storm. Yeah, it's tough. All right. Well, we're packed up, ready to go. Whew. It's a lot of snow. Here's our footprint. Nice melted patch by the stove. Other than that, she's clean. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you on the next one.